Hi everyone, and welcome back. It's James. I've got a package from AliExpress. I ordered knockoff GoPro batteries for my GoPro. Let's open it. Yeah. You're looking at AliExpress's website. This is exactly what I ordered. It's a knockoff product. It says original probity for GoPro Hero 7, 6 Hero, 5 Black, battery or triple charger for GoPro Hero 7, 6 Hero 5. Black camera battery for $22.79 US. And this is what it looks like. So it's by Probity. It comes with a Type-C, and I ordered 3 batteries. I've got a GoPro Hero 7 Black. Hopefully everything works out well. Look at this. Power fast with Probity. Safe and reliable. Made with high quality materials. I hope so. Recharge up to 2,100 times. Maintains up to 70% charge after 10 years of storage. Really? Built-in safety protections. Designed with safety in mind. Probity. Triple charger. Short circuit protection. Over current protection. Over voltage protection. Over temperature protection. Exactly same with original. Fully compatible with GoPro Hero 5, 6, 7 Black. GoPro Hero 2018 camera. No memory effect, so that you can charge battery at any time. Super long time recording. It looks good. So this is a knockoff, alright? So don't get mad. I'm not claiming that it's a real GoPro product. I want to trust in it. Okay guys, let's get to the package. Look at how this was packaged. Okay, battery, and a black bag. No doubt customs open it. This is the charger. It's a plastic box, and it really looks like GoPro. It says Probity. Battery charging box. Input 5.0 volt 3A. Output 4.35 volt. Warning. Uh-oh, that's not good. Okay. Here is the port for the C cord. The charging station. There are 2 prongs in each. Can you see the prongs at the bottom? There are 2 metal prongs. That's it. And this must be the, yep, C cord. USB and Type-C. Okay. This did not come with an adapter. And there are no instructions. Open battery pack. All right.
taped. It looks pretty official. It hasn't been tampered with. I really hope this doesn't destroy my real GoPro Hero 7 Black. Here it is. It really looks like the official battery. Okay, there's a warning. Okay, let's open the rest. Looks good. Okay, here's the third one. Okay, here is my GoPro Hero 7 Black. This is the original battery that came with this camera. It says GoPro. There is a plus and a minus. Okay, I'm going to get the knockoff one. This is the knockoff one. It has a plus and minus, just like the original. To my right, there are 4 slots on each. Really looks identical. Yep, it looks identical. Look at that. It looks good. Measure the size. They are identical. I'm going to test the knockoff one in my camera. I wonder if there's any charge. It's on, and there is charge. Look at it. It works. I'm going to test all of them. Putting in the second one. It works. And there is some charge. Okay. Now for the last one. Then I'll test the batteries with the charger. It works. And there's some charge. Great. If all goes well, I'll have extra batteries for my recording. I'm going to put the original back. Yep, still works. Lots of battery. Good. Now to play with the charger. I don't know about this cover. It's like a toy. There are 3 red lights on. Now, how do you know when it's fully charged? Look at that, there's a blue light. Okay, let's see what happens if I take one out. Okay, when it's in the right way, the red light goes on, and that means it's charging. It looks good. I don't know whether these lights will change color to indicate they're fully charged, but I'm guessing something will happen, something good. Going to check on the charger, and the red lights are off. They're all green now. When they're green, that means they're fully charged. I'll definitely be using these batteries. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.